Thinking about moving to Canada, then you've probably heard of CELPIP, but what exactly is it and how is it different from IELTS? Whether you're applying for PR, citizenship, or just exploring your options, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about the CELPIP test, its format, structure, scoring, and the smartest ways to prepare. And if you're planning to practice or take professional coaching, I'll also share how MockMaster mock tests and One Australia's CELPIP courses can help you get exam ready faster. Alright, let's get started. CELPIP stands for the Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program. It's a standardized English test designed to measure how well you understand and use English in real life situations, whether it's at work, in school, or in your everyday life in Canada. What makes CELPIP stand out is that it's officially accepted by IRCC, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada for permanent residency, express entry, and even citizenship applications. It's also recognized by several professional organizations like the Real Estate Council of British Columbia. CELPIP is often seen as a modern alternative to IELTS. It's completely computer-based, meaning no handwritten papers, no separate speaking appointments, and no face-to-face interviews. Everything happens in one seamless session, right from your computer. One of the biggest advantages of CELPIP is convenience. You can finish the entire test, including the speaking part, in just one sitting. No separate appointments or interviews. Everything happens on the computer. The CELPIP test comes with helpful digital tools like a word counter and spell check, making writing tasks easier to manage. Plus, it uses a Canadian English accent which many test takers find clear and easy to understand. And the best part, you typically get your results within just 5 business days. And if you want to experience what the real CELPIP test feels like before exam day, try a few mock tests on MockMaster. It's the perfect platform to track your performance, fix weak areas, and boost your confidence before taking the actual test. There are 2 versions of the CELPIP test, and it's important to know which one you need. The CELPIP general test is used for permanent residency and express entry applications. It takes about 3 hours to complete and includes 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test fee is roughly 280 Canadian dollars. The CELPIP general LS test, on the other hand, is for Canadian citizenship applications. It's shorter, around 1 hour, with only listening and speaking sections. The fee for this version is about 195 Canadian dollars. In this video, we'll focus on the CELPIP general test since it's the most common choice for immigration and PR aspirants. And if you're planning to prepare for it seriously, you can check out One Australia's CELPIP course designed to help you master every section step by step. The CELPIP general test evaluates your English in 4 skill areas: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The listening section of the CELPIP test lasts about 50 to 55 minutes. It starts with 1 practice task, followed by 6 main parts that get progressively more challenging. You listen to a variety of scenarios, from daily life conversations like giving directions to workplace discussions or problem-solving situations. In part 5, you'll even watch a short video featuring multiple speakers discussing a topic, like co-workers talking about a new office rule. Take notes while listening, jot down names, keywords, or even dress colors. These small details can help you recall answers more easily. Remember, the audio plays only once and the difficulty increases as you move through the parts. So stay alert and focused. To get familiar with the listening format and question types, try out MockMaster's CELPIP listening mock test. They replicate the real exam experience, helping you boost your focus and accuracy before the actual test day. The reading section of the CELPIP general test lasts about 50 to 60 minutes. It begins with a short practice task, followed by 4 main parts that gradually increase in difficulty. You'll read emails, advertisements, articles, and opinion pieces, then answer questions that test your understanding and reasoning. The final part, reading 4 viewpoints, is usually the most challenging. Here, you need to compare different opinions and analyze viewpoints carefully to answer the questions correctly. To practice under realistic conditions and improve your speed and accuracy, try taking MockMaster's CELPIP reading mock tests. They simulate the actual exam format and help you identify Which areas need extra focus before test day? The writing section of the CLPIP general test lasts about 55 minutes and includes 2 tasks, each requiring 150 to 200 words. Task 1 asks you to write a formal or semi-formal email following specific instructions. Make sure to include a proper greeting, clearly state the purpose, and cover all the points provided. Task 2 is a survey response. You choose one of 2 options and justify your answer with clear reasons. Focus on providing structured, logical points while keeping your writing concise and relevant. Practicing under timed conditions is key. Using Mockmaster's CLPIP writing mock tasks lets you experience realistic time limits, get instant feedback, and improve your writing speed and structure before the actual exam. Regular practice with these mock tasks can make a big difference, helping you stay confident and organized during the real test. The speaking section of the CLPIP general test lasts around 15 to 20 minutes. It starts with 1 practice task, followed by 8 main tasks designed to test how well you can communicate in real-life situations. You'll speak about everyday topics, from giving advice, describing scenes or photos, to making predictions and expressing your opinions. All your responses are recorded and later evaluated by certified examiners to ensure accurate scoring. If you're new to this format, consider enrolling in one Australia's CLPIP preparation course. The expert trainers guide you through each speaking task, teach scoring patterns, and help you master all 8 tasks with confidence before your test day. CLPIP scores range from level 10 to 12 based on the Canadian language benchmarks CLB. For immigration purposes, you typically need level 7 or higher to earn strong CRS points. To wrap up, CLPIP is an excellent choice for anyone targeting Canadian immigration. It's fast, fully computer-based, and completely aligned with IRCC requirements. Start your preparation early, take realistic CLPIP mock tests on Mockmaster to build confidence and track your progress. And if you want expert guidance on all sections, consider joining One Australia's online CLPIP course. Is designed to give feedback, tips, and strategies to help you score your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more test prep and immigration tips. Thanks for watching and good luck on your CLPIP journey.